to my Cricut Corner. Today we're going to be learning how to write on envelopes using the Cricut Maker. As you can see, we have some different options. Happy birthday, Jessie. I'm going to be showing you how to make thank you cards and how to write maybe for a graduation that is up and coming in your family. By the end of this video, I hope you take away how to make some personalized envelopes for big events in your life, such as birthdays, maybe a thank you card, graduation, or other big events such as baby showers, weddings, and even holidays. The materials you're gonna need for this project is your envelope, the blue light grip Cricut mat, and the Cricut fine point pens. Okay. So once you have either your computer or your iPad hooked up to your Cricut, you are going to open the design space and you can begin your project. Begin by sticking your envelope onto the Cricut mat. And in this video, I'm going to show you some different sizes. So this is a 9 by 6. Okay. Over here, you're going to start new project, and for this project I am going to be making a happy birthday card. So I want to pick my color pen. For this one I am going to do a red, the color name, that is important. I load that into my Cricut machine along with my Cricut mat and my envelope. All right, here's a look into the Cricut design space. So you're going to start by clicking on New Project. And once you are in your canvas, you are going to go to the left side and click on Images. You're going to search for Happy Birthday. Here you'll find many options. Once you find the image that you would like to use, you just click on it and click on Insert Image. Okay, here we have Happy Birthday. You can take it one step further and add someone's name to this. If you want to personalize it, you just go to the left-hand side, click on Text, and I'm going to write Jessie. Happy birthday, Jessie. You can even then go up to fonts and change the font so it's something that kind of matches the happy birthday a little better. And there's so many fonts. I already looked through these, so this is the one I decided I'm going to do. After you change your font and you're happy with how that looks, I noticed that on the left, or the right side, I apologize, it says cut. So I want to change that. We're going to be drawing using a pen. So I'm going to go ahead and select all of my images and go up to the top left where it says line type. I'm going to click on the little caret and I'm going to select draw. This will change it so it'll be drawing on your envelope. I am then going to click on the little black box, make sure that fine point 0.44 is selected. There's many different types if you're using different pens. We're using fine point today in this video. And I am going to go ahead and select the color, which is red. All right, once that is done, you are going to go up to the top right-hand corner and click on Make It. Now here's where it's important to remember that my envelope was 9 by 6. Okay, so the center of my envelope would be 3. So I'm going to make sure birthday is lined up in the 3. And half of 9 is about 4.5. Make sure it's lined up in the middle there. I'm pretty happy with that. Make sure my Jessie is lined up. And I am ready to go. You can change the material size over here, but for me that hasn't really mattered, so I just leave it. Okay, so you're going to go down to the bottom right-hand corner and click Continue. Make sure your machine is connected, and you're going to set your base material of paper. All right, and my red pen was already loaded, and my mat with my envelope was already loaded, so I'm ready to go. I'm just gonna click on the flashing Cricut sign. Once you are done, you're gonna go ahead and click on the flashing arrow that will eject, and you can take it off of your mat. Final product turned out pretty well. Another helpful tip is you want to make sure that the envelope flap is facing the correct way. You don't want to do this upside down. That would be a bummer. And there you have it. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this helpful. Be on the lookout for the next video on how to do 2 colors on an envelope.